Okay, example 36.1, we're going to use the distributive property to expand. We've already done this topic. The new part of it represents the fractions in it. And distributive property, anytime you see use the distributive property, it simply means that we're going to take the object outside the parentheses and multiply it individually times each object inside the parentheses, like so. When fractions are involved, my advice is just to deal with fraction multiplication as it is. Top times top, bottom times bottom for each multiplication. Worry about simplifying beyond that after you've at least distributed. So when I'm doing the red multiplication, x squared times x squared on top, we add the powers, we get x to the fourth. Y squared times y to the first at the bottom, we're going to add the powers of y cubed. When I do the blue multiplication, I am multiplying a positive times a negative, so I want to make sure I put that minus sign. And then x squared times 3y cubed, those are all different types of objects, so 3x squared y cubed, whatever order you want to put in, I like alphabetical order myself. On the bottom, y squared times m, again different letters, so all I can do is put my squared, again I'm going alphabetical order. The next step at that point would be to reduce fractions if possible, and what I'm looking for to see if fractions reduce in this case, the red fraction and blue fraction individually, is if the same letter occurs in top and bottom. We can see x and y are different, so that one's done. X, y, m, y. Okay, so now we've got a couple of y's here that are the same. And how I'm going to handle that is I subtract powers and put the answer where the bigger power is. So the final answer, again, the first term, x to the fourth over y cubed, is perfectly fine the way it is. The second term, the 3x squared and the m are all okay. And y belongs on top because 3 is bigger, and 3 minus 2 is 1, so y to the first power. And that's my final answer.